Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can remove a person from a photo using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template of 1600 by 900 pixel. You can select any image template, right? Now we are going to elements and here we are just going to search for beach woman, right? And let's go to photos and let's find some good photos, right? Okay, let's select this one, or you can select any other image as well, right? Whatever the image you like, you can simply select. Right now I'm just using the okay. We are going to go with this image, right? Set image as background, and here we are just going to double click on this image, right? And then click on edit image, and here you will find some good filters and tools. You just need to click on Magic Eraser, and here you can use the brush size, right? You can set the brush size as per your requirement and keep your hand slowly and just select the person. You can reduce the brush size as well depending upon your requirement, right? And click on erase. Okay, so the person have been removed from the photo. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.